Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are. Welcome back. Day 9, December Daily Math. It says, draw hands on the clock to show 8:30. Okay, well, let's start with our minute hand. Our minute hand says 30. So we're going to count. Minute hand's the long hand. Remember, it reaches all the way out to touch the border. So we can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we're going to take this one right here and we're going to draw it all the way out to the line, the little bitty line right here. Say all the way out to here is what I like to do with my minute hands. Then our hour is 8. So I'm probably not going to put it right on the 8. If the big hand is halfway around, then I'm going to move my hour hand and put it halfway between the 8 and the 9. And there we are, 8:30, okay? And number 2, 64 minus 23. 4 minus 3, well, there's more on top, there's no need to stop. Again, there's more on top, no need to stop. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, number of hours Taco naps. Sleepy dog. How many hours did Taco nap on Monday, Wednesday, Friday? Here's our number of hours, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But you'll notice on here, there's some letters down here. So this M is for Monday, T for Tuesday, W for Wednesday, TH for Thursday, that's the naughty H brother, sticks out his tongue, and F for Friday. So on Monday, Taco naps for 2 hours. On Wednesday, whoa, sleepy day, 5 hours. And on Friday, 3 hours. Okay. Subtract across and down. Okay, so let's go across. 18 minus 10. 8 minus 0 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. I won't even write the 0 in there. 11 minus 4. 11, so 10, 9, 8, 7. Now we're going to go 18 minus 11. So 8 minus 11 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. I don't need to do that, do I? We'll just leave it. 10 minus 4 is 6. Very good, because 6 plus 4 is 10. The 6 and the 4, they go together, don't they? They have that special relationship. And just for fun, what's 7 minus 6? 1. What's 8 minus 7? 1. That matches. It's great. Number 5, Taco's treats. Taco loves to eat his treats. He munches 3 each day. How many treats will Taco eat if he eats 3 treats for 3 days? Well, I see how many, and I'm going to underline that next word, which is treats, or circle that next word. So how many treats? So he loves to eat his treats. He munches 3 each day. That's important. If he eats 3 treats each day for 3 days, so that's important, 3 days. 3 treats, 3 days. So here's day 1, he has 3. Day 2, he has 3. And day 3. He has 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 3, 6, 9. 9, and our label is what we circled there, treats. Okay? All right, boys and girls, great job with that. And we will see you tomorrow for day 10.